I'm here with Chef Kirsten Helly-Sandval in your home kitchen, talking about fresh herbs and how you like to use them, right?
Yes.
And why fresh?
Oh, it just brightens the flavors. And I find when you're trying to cut back on salt and get all this healthy food, sometimes people are like, the flavor is not so amazing. So tons of fresh herbs, they brighten the flavor, and they actually are a huge boost of nutrients as well.
Really? So you're getting the health benefits and a big boost of flavor.
Exactly.
Sounds like.
Yep.
You are a personal chef for a lot of people. Tell me about that.
Yeah. So I am a private chef for professional athletes and high-profile clients. I've worked with several of the Seattle Seahawks over the years. I private chef for Isaiah Thomas right now, and I work with their doctors and trainers.
Yeah.
And I get told to get them to eat lots of healthy food, and I'm usually getting guys that have been able to eat whatever they want their whole life, and because they're athletes.
Yeah.
And eventually they hit an age where they're like, okay, I've got to start.
We all do.
Yes.
While cooking for her clients, Kirsten started to experiment in the kitchen, creating flavorful sauces based around her players' individual cultural backgrounds. She soon perfected the recipes, and Mesa de Vida was born.
Mesa de Vida. And so these are what exactly?
They are cooking sauces and flavor bases.
Okay.
Herbs play a huge part in each and every one of these sauces, and each region has its own kind of component of herbs that are classic.
I asked Kirsten to show me a sneak peek of one of her sauce recipes.
Well, this is just actually how I make these sauces, how I've made them in my clients' kitchens for years, and now we have a big commercial kitchen that makes them for us. So just some carrots and a little bit of tomato paste, herbs, then bell peppers. Again, sneaking all those antioxidants and vitamins.
I love
in,
how colorful everything is.
It's delicious.
Especially
It
when you eat
smells
fresh, it's always colorful, it seems like.
Absolutely. And this one, I would put like some lime juice in there and all of that, and then your dried herbs, because they really bloom in the sauce, which is nice and spices. But okay,
Nice.
yeah.
And that's it.
That's it. So anytime you're cooking a soup or a stew, add a little bit of this to when you first start cooking your meat or your vegetables. Absolutely delicious. Big fan of sauces.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, you have so much experience with, healthy cooking. What got you into that in the first place?
I wasn't always into healthy cooking by any means, so by the time I was about 23 years old, I was clinically obese. I decided to cut out processed foods, and that was the beginning of my career and also the beginning of just learning to appreciate healthy food. I ended up losing 100 pounds.
Oh my goodness!
I think our bodies are meant to enjoy these colorful, vibrant things. They're like, herbs were medicine back in the day.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely can add a lot to our lives. Healthy food truly changed my life.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And now you're doing it for other people, which is great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.